So if you are on Google Translate and you would like to download like this sentence, like this, so if I press right here.
Is it true that you understand all that I say?
Well, if you want to record that into your computer, you want to come into the developer mode. So you're gonna hit Option, Command, and I. That will bring us that little tools. Don't worry, it's very simple. Let's say I want to download the Danish record, so I'm gonna hit Listen.
Det rigtigt, at du forstår alt det, jeg siger?
And you will look for Translate. That's the one just right here. So double click on that Translate.
Det rigtigt, at du forstår alt det, jeg siger?
That will bring you to that page, and you're gonna hit the 3-dot menu and download. And actually it's just right here.
Det rigtigt, at du forstår alt det, jeg siger?
Right in my computer.
So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please make a thumbs up. If you have any question, please ask in the comment below. I may simply answer you or even maybe make a video just for you. So don't forget to subscribe, and what you do see back there is from my main channel, so please come take a look at this right there. Thank you for watching again. See ya!